I didn't go to Vegas to party.
Well, what'd you go there for? Gamble?
That's none of your business.
Oh, yes, it is. That'll be a $50, $100 assessment for impertinence. Now, you want to get cute with me? You want to tell me the truth?
you being real cute.
That's another $100 assessment.
Come on, man.
I suggest you stop before I bust you badly, son.
You ain't gonna bust.
Don't disappoint your mother. Oh, you want to be like that? Bring the witness in.
Yeah, bring a witness.
Now, swear the witness in, please, Madam Sonia, if you would.
Yes, Your Honor. Okay, stay quiet. Please raise
I
your right
wouldn't
hand.
get cute.
Do you promise to tell the truth in all matters before this court?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Young man, please state your full name for the record.
William Winston.
Are you acquainted with the two individuals to your left?
Yes, sir.
Are you acquainted with the young man on the far left?
Yes, sir.
Where do you know him from?
Linwood.
All right, now, are you familiar with the subject matter of this proceeding?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you have anything to add to this?
I was in the car with him.
Who's him?
Brandon. When we left the motorcycle club.
Where were you guys?
I believe it's like Redondo.
Okay, what's the name of the club?
The Red Brick.
The motorcycle club.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
When we left the motorcycle club, I got in the car with Antonio.
All right.
I left. We got in the car. We left. I asked him if he could take me home. I stopped, and then I asked Brandon if he can take me home. So Brandon was gonna take me to my house. So I got out the car with Antonio. When I jumped in the car with Brandon, he driving real fast, speeding on the wrong side of the street. When we get on Imperial, I'm telling him like slow down because there ain't no airbags in the back seat. The passenger that was in the car with us, I don't believe he had on no seatbelt, so I was in the back seat, and he didn't want to stop. He didn't want to stop speeding. So when we get to Imperial and Broadway, Antonio he made a right onto Broadway, and then got in the turning lane to make that left and go back up Imperial. But Brandon, it was a red light. It was a red light on Broadway and Imperial. So Brandon, he swung lanes and got in the turning lane and ran the red light. And that's when he struck Antonio's car.
Totally.
All right, now after the accident, did you notice what this young man and the other person were doing, or you were doing?
Yeah, the car stopped in the middle of Imperial and Broadway. We got out the car, looked at the car was totaled, the rental was totaled. Brandon told the passenger to look in the car for the liquor that was in the car or whatever. He called his mom. He told his cousin that he was gonna call his mom and tell his mom that the rental got stolen. But then we was thinking like, why you gonna tell your mama that your rental got stolen and your fingerprints was the last ones on the car? So one of his friends pulled up. He jumped in the car with his friend, told his mama the little situation, and I guess that's how they made the police report about the stolen car. But the whole time the car wasn't stolen.
We'll be back with more Judge Joe Brown.
Seem to have a considerable history with rental vehicles that you've wrecked.
Excuse me, sir. May I speak?
Oh, you might clear it up.
Sir, what doesn't make sense to me is this. If there was an accident that occurred, why weren't the police notified?
They were.
When?
I have the report right here. That's the report you made.
No, not at all. My report was made the night of the question. The night of question. You don't want to hear what I'm talking about.
Yeah, well, how is it that you were at the same club they were at, the vehicle your mother rented got ripped off from that club, and it just happened to strike them?
I have no clue.
Because you're lying.
I'm not lying about anything.
Son, you're lying.
I have all my
You're lying.
You don't want to listen to it.
You're lying. Don't try to break
You're not going to sit here and not allow me to say my case. You're not going to do that.
Now, you keep it up.
Let me get my point across.
You keep it up. You don't have a point because the deeper you get into it, the more you get deep into a perjury charge. You won't be walking too far without a warrant for your arrest. There's also an ongoing investigation for a felony hit and run, and we've got enough to bust you right here.
That's not right, though. Just be fair. That's all I'm
It's
asking.
not, you're lying.
That's all
Be
I'm
a
asking.
man.
I am a man.
Oh, you're not. You got your hands in your pockets.
Yeah, with my
body
thumbs out,
language.
which
You know
means
what
I'm
that
open to
means? You know what that
conversation. I
means?
know what my
Excuse
body
me.
language is saying.
I will enlighten you and banish some of your ignorance. Now, your mother deals with probationers, parolees, and she's listening to you, and she's not even looking at you because she's listening to your tone.
She can sit down.
And
You can
by
talk
the
to
way,
me.
been having problems before. Your mother is disappointed with you. You're 24. How old are you? 24 years old. You ought to be doing something. Sitting up in here trifling and carrying on like you lost your mind instead of being a man.
Watch your mouth, man. How you
My
can
mouth?
call me out of my name, but I can't speak to him how I want? What type
Because
of
I'll
stuff is
jack
that?
you up.
What's
one
happening?
way or the other.
What happened?
Look,
I haven't seen you on it.
don't even go there. Look,
You first.
your mother's position is a sworn official. I'm thinking of sending this case to the DA.
I didn't do
with
that.
a letter.
What you wanna do? I'm leaving.
No, you ain't. Oh, whoa, another 100. I tell you what, I'm sending it.
Send it. You got all my information, and you right here. Y'all know
Excuse
what
me.
it is.
Under arrest, terroristic threats in an official position.
I just go
Put
there.
him under arrest. Guys, go get him.
Sounded like a threat to me.
Go get him.
I said, you two that's what I said. I'm not threatening nobody.
He's trying to brazen it out. Ma'am, I apologize to you. I was trying to help him out by giving him a last chance to confine himself to the truth. He misstated material facts that go to the ultimate issue in controversy. Now, he needs to clean himself up.